1 cup of mayonnaise. Half classic, half bougie-ish tartar sauce. My tip and my trick, I actually like grated cucumber in it, so we're gonna grate some cucumber. And this is just gonna add kind of some freshness to it, right? Because you're gonna have this heavy mayonnaise sauce. We're gonna add a juice of about half a lemon. Make sure you don't have any seeds. My favorite, sweet relish, about a tablespoon. About half a tablespoon of mustard. And then we're gonna do about precisely 1 cup of mayonnaise. That looks about right. And then I'm gonna just add some fresh dill. And you can just rough chop this up. This is kind of like a half classic, half bougie-ish tartar sauce, right? But that dill is gonna really permeate and be really fresh. And we're just gonna mix this up. Make sure everything is well incorporated. And then we're just gonna add a pinch of salt. We're gonna put this to the side.